Now we social Adom TV no na Northern Region branch Ghana Journalists Association say near esi na no day watermali based Dabon radio no journalist and din de Sadiq Gariba enipa bi bowura ho so no mu ye na niam bi ensem fata no nyame anim ne anim guase e de mamai ene de oyeye na sa bre no mu anso na ye World Freedom Day na bibi e ti say ye course no de entwaye omodo won sama ba Adom TV edeba
Sadiq Gariba eye adwuma ewo Dagbon radio a ewo Tamale mensini mu na wosusu se Canadian Deputy Communications Officer MIND Samanyoku no Hadi Pagaza ene kwato share no so wabra na wodi dwuma bi ewo radio station honomo Yakubu Abdul Majid eye Northern Regional Chairman GJA ekuo no na woni amane boni enkomotwetwe mu ene wodi tudwa se sa no yoye course no enya de se fata kra na GJA ekuo no bebo modin ayenhwehwemu sanse wonyai emane ntwamu sa enkokwa.
The first reaction of the Ghana Journalists Association in the Northern Region here is first and foremost is to condemn that act, because the act is disgraceful, criminal, and barbaric. And Ghana Journalists Association in the region, we will not sit down and allow all manner of people to attack our people like they are nobody. We are taking steps to ensure that every individual who attack any of our members will be punished and punished severely under the rules and laws of the country.
Osan etu ensemtrofo nyina fo se wonom dwumadie mu no momodin ase obebo won ho ban.
Frankly speaking, when I took over as the chairperson of the GJA in this region, myself and my team, we have been thinking, and one of the measures we are putting in place is to have a lawyer, which we have secured one, and anytime at all a matter of that nature happens, we will quickly refer it to our lawyer, and I think our lawyer will take it up, and those perpetrators will be brought to book, and in that manner it will discourage others from doing such.